хотел этот птеродактиль.
Oh my god!
So here I am. Yep. Okay. So, yeah, so I'm trying to take this video, right? And I just want the lights to be on.
Okay, stop that. We didn't ask for an ear cleaning service.
Yeah, good boy. Okay, okay. Don't come all the way in. Nick, go back.
Whoa. Whoa. Come on, dude.
Excuse me, ma'am, do you fancy ocean tours? I'm your guy. Puppy's managing the entire logistics department of the house.
I want to talk about something.
All right.
I'd like to say something.
Okay.
This is when the furry artist lets his artistic flow freely.
A great marriage isn't static, it explores. It says yes to the next trip, the next challenge, the next version of each other. Matt and Haley have always...
No need for personal trainers. She already has the best ones.
Would you mind if I just have a little bit of alone time?
He just needs to feel connected to the pack's daily routine.
Waduh. Jolene, can we help you? Oh my gosh. Jolene. She's overseeing you.
I'm sure that owl is hired to proofread the emails.
Yeah?
Plot twist. Doggo wanted to keep him safe from the sun.
Он нюхает его. Я думала, они вот там.
Your free trial of fitness has expired, human. It's my turn.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay, I don't know how to get him off, so... Come on. You can push him off.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind.
My friends, I call this perfect division of labor.
I'm so done. You would think, like, can I get some privacy? Can I time to myself?
In this gardening duel, it's green paws over green thumbs.
Get over here. Say hi, baby. Okay. So this is our first reaction. Phoebe, okay, now you've worn out. You're welcome. Phoebes, get out of here. Go sit by Dad.
Hi, Waddles. David's not going to be happy that I let you inside.
Hey Human, I am the original baby in this house. Pick me up.
Make the putt.
They're just waking to sunshine, courtesy of Doggo.
I do be nosy, but not in a judgmental kind of way. Like, I don't care what you do, but I do want to know. I want to know about it, but I don't care. I don't care.
Good luck sweeping under that emotional baggage. Expert tool handler. This one definitely lied on his resume.
You're so helpful. I learned how to use a tap and die today.
That's the problem right there. What is that? The topinator. See, the topinator hooked up to the motor. The motor ain't pushing enough pressure out for the gas pedal.
Just checking if Human is melting in the magic rain box.
Alors, voilà, il faut savoir que Mist a une définition bien à elle de l'espace personnel.
This pup is me reminding myself to act naturally in public. The cat didn't like the picture and decided to become the central piece.
Mekanik saya ni. Boleh repair tak? Boleh repair tak, Cik? Ha? Masak apa lah kita saya? Ha?
While she's working on the barn, he's working on the angles. If these helpful pets made you laugh, please like and subscribe for more. See you soon.